Idin's bug-eye Subaru has been built with a GT3RSR STi interpretation to fit within the World Time Attack Clubsprint class rules. The car has recently undergone changes in the way of an FIA spec weld-in roll cage and upgraded STi 6-speed gearbox with Modena gears. Earlier this year, the Subaru won the Clubsprint class at the VIC Time Attack with a 1 minute 41 second lap time at the Phillip Island GP circuit. This time out at the 2019 SubiNats, Idin was aiming for a sub 140 lap time.